How to redeem PlayStation gift card on Amazon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can redeem your PlayStation gift card on Amazon. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the very end. In order to redeem your PlayStation gift card, first of all, make sure you have your gift card with you. And if you want to redeem them to your Amazon shopping app, then you can just go ahead and then open the Amazon application. Once you launch the Amazon application, you want to go to the option which is the profile icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you'll find the section that is your account. So just go ahead and tap on the your account button, and as you tap on the your account button over here, you have to scroll and find the payment section. Under payment section, you'll find the option that says manage gift card balance. As you do so, you'll find another option that says redeem another gift card. So if you've already added multiple gift cards, you'll be able to see those balances over here, and you'll also be able to see the list of those cards. So just tap on redeem another gift card over here. As you do so, over here you simply have to enter the gift card code which you received on a PlayStation gift card or any other card that you have. Once you've done so, all you have to do is to tap on the button that says apply to your balance. Now keep in mind, I'm talking about how to redeem your PlayStation gift card on Amazon, not the one that you brought from Amazon. So you just have to keep that in mind and apply the changes to your balance, and that's all it takes to go ahead and then redeem your PlayStation gift card to your Amazon app. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.